Guys, we're in rural Pennsylvania, and I have a couple friends that have a private drive, and they've got a really cool place to race. I wanted to let you know that from now through November 15th, we're going to be giving away 2 HP Tuners MPVI 2s randomly selected from Fasterproms merchandise. Also, though, we're going to be doing multiple random giveaways through Instagram. Got a lot of neat tools, a few little other odds and ends in there, some just miscellaneous, pretty darn neat stuff. We most certainly wouldn't be able to do what we do without the support from you guys. So thank you guys so much for what you do. Now, let's get on with the video. Guys, this thing is no joke. This is an all-wheel drive Escalade with an LSA, and it is stock everything except the blower. Got some cold air, you got some E85 on it, and 10 pounds of boost. This thing is a shocker on the street. I've had the joy of tuning it and doing some rides in it, and it is it's pretty impressive for what she is.
Yeah. No, I love it, and I've got the 2-door. I've owned every generation of them. I had one of them.
All right, so apparently you guys both have a very similar setup. LSA, yep. All-wheel drive, different chassis. We got the Escalade, that big girl right there.
Yep.
Got a little bit of a weight penalty. Actually, might even have a little bit less boost though than that guy right there. Right?
Mine was went to like 11.2, but then it's like 10.8, 10.7.
Okay.
Yeah, so mine's about 9.5 to 10. So.
Let's see, I guess it's gonna be a battle of traction. Actually, you guys, neither one of you really might have a problem though, right? It kind of just scratches a little bit and goes, right?
Yeah, it hops the front end a little and then bites in.
Yeah,
and
those squat a lot more because of the air ride. This with the leaf spring, it's not as bad.
Yeah, and yours is already lowered a little bit, so it's gonna help out.
Yep.
Well, I definitely got some issues with my my truck. She's she's a little, and I'm really hoping not to break it. I mean, I'm only like 1,000 miles away from my house, so you know, we'll see. But I'm definitely willing to send it. All right, Rascal, let's make something happen with this pig.
Do it.
All right, that was a good run. That was a good run.
Very, very close.
Yeah.
Very close.
So you're having some tranny issues, and I totally sabotaged you by not bringing my computer tuning software. So, no, I screwed up. So I apologize. But
it's super close. I basically stared at your back tire the whole time.
Yeah.
So.
No, that was a good run.
Yeah.
Good run. But that thing leaves good though.
Yeah.
It really does.
Yeah. Give it a couple minutes. Maybe we'll try it again.
Okay.
Let it cool off.
Yeah, definitely.
See how it goes.
All right. I want to see you in this year. That's
yeah. I mean,
think that'll probably
they
be
should,
pretty good.
they should be very close.
I think he's got a tranny shifting advantage over you.
I believe he might.
About that. One that I've been really wanting to see here. Right. What's up? What's up?
Nah, we were having mechanical failures over here. I don't know. Throwing random multiple engine misfire code and stability track was kicking in. I don't know what was going on, even though it was off. But yeah, rear view mirror fell off, I think.
Yeah, you didn't fold your mirrors in time either.
I didn't fold the mirrors in time. That definitely made a big difference. Yeah, I didn't have my active arrow wasn't active.
Oh, shoot.
We got the active arrow going now, so I think we could probably try it again from like a 20 float.
Yeah.
And I think the active arrow will really help me.
Okay.
So yeah, I think that's what we need to do.
We don't want to lose anything you got back here though, you know?
Like just the little launches there, didn't do it. So,
okay.
I don't know, you want to try and do like a 20 roll?
You do that.
Yeah, let's go down.
I think I'm gonna get my butt handed to me by the white truck. That was good.
We got a little front wheel hop. She got a little light, and that's pretty much when he walked by me there. A minute ago when we tried it, I think he forgot that he was in manual mode and forgot to shift, but that one was a super clean start.
Oh, dude,
for me,
I liked it.
so.
I liked it. Yeah, that was a good run, man, for sure.
Yeah, that was super close.
Yeah, they were so close.
Dude, that was a good race. Seriously, that was entertaining. That one was awesome, for real.
I bumped neutral the first time, that's why.
Oh, yeah. No, I liked it, man. Well-rounded race, for sure. When I was really young, I think my mom's car was a diesel Cadillac. This is like an 82 or something?
It's 1980. Yep.
Wow. This thing do a burnout?
It will not.
Oh.
It will not do a burnout.
Dang.
It will smoke, but it is not from the tires.
So what are we doing with it?
I think we're gonna have a foot race. I think this young gentleman right here says he can beat this.
0 to 30? Like 30 feet?
Yeah, like
60 feet.
yeah, it's about a, I don't know, light pole to light pole out there. I don't know what that is.
All right, I want to see
100
that. All right, you don't want to pull a hammy. Come on, Brady. Oh, man, like you're
Ready working
nice.
out. Getting ready for the race of his life. This is the fastest he's ever been.
Yeah. Feeling good? Feeling great? Come on, you got this. All right, come on. All right, we got a 0 to 60 foot race here. Whoa! No way! That has got to be the slowest Cadillac ever.
I'm on a cool down session, ice down, you know?
Wow, I think we could go like to the 330 and might give him a try.
Dude, that's what I was trying to tell you. Like, he's literally gonna kill you.
That's surprising how slow that is.
I think somebody sabotaged my lane. There was a bush right next to my lane.
Was there somebody behind it?
I think somebody jumped out from behind the bush and poured something because
All right, you're gonna have to run it back. Double or nothing, boy. Come on.
I see the Escalade coming.
Yeah, it's you.
I see the Escalade coming.
All right, let's go pole to pole. How about that?
All right, I want the other lane.
Oh! Oh, the caddy! Oh my gosh. Oh man, all right, I think this thing is probably gonna beat me pretty good here, but we'll see. I'll give it all I got, guys. This thing's it definitely feels good when you're driving it, man. She was fun. Okay, so round one, I had a miscommunication with our flagger in that I was supposed to have a couple seconds to spool up, and that didn't really happen. So the LSA makes way more bottom end torque, especially when I'm not spooled up. It's a strong leaving truck. All right, well, round two, I got the spool up part nailed down. Now, I forgot to put it in four-wheel drive, though, so, yeah. Dude, I had a couple brain farts there. I was just like, all right, when I make this turn, I'm going to do it in two-wheel drive, and I'm just like, oh, got all caught up in the moment. Freaking rookie. Jeez, all right, that was a good race.
Yeah, that was good.
Now, I honestly, I thought you were ahead by a fender, and I just, we just ran out of space.
Yeah, I think it was, but like I said, I feel if your transmission's on point.
Oh, yeah. I think
you'll have me, especially up top.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? That thing starts pouring coal to it.
Yeah. Dude, that's a good race though. That was fun.
Yeah, that's the slow ones are fun. The slow ones are fun.
No, definitely, man. This thing freaking rolls out for what it is, man.
Yeah, what it is.
I love it. I love it. Well, that's the race I was definitely looking for, guys. Now we got some things we got to work out, man. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. God bless you. We'll see you next time. I knew it was a little risky throwing the Duramax in the mix, being as it's my tow vehicle and I'm like 1,000 miles away from home. But hey, my torque converter doesn't really lock up. It's very intermittent now. We're going to get that fixed as soon as we get back to Florida. I can't wait to go over to Pila Motorsports and get this built tranny. It's going to be freaking awesome. So guys, all that was just a ridiculous amount of fun with a bunch of friends and customers that I've had through the years. These guys are really, really, really a lot of fun, and they got some pretty fast stuff. So guys, hang in there. We will be getting back to the S10 very, very shortly, as well as the Caprice. I can't wait to be out there ripping both of those, and they're like this close to being done. So that's coming up very, very shortly. But before we get to that, I wanted to share with you some similarities and stories that I had with Keith and his father and my father and the legend. Also, for you guys that are really deep into the tuning stuff, I take you with me on a little journey through a day in my shoes, tuning some pretty crazy cars up there in Pennsylvania. It is going to be awesome. So check that out. That's coming up very shortly. So I wanted to close out here with some excerpts of some stuff that we had in the previous episode that I thought would be pretty neat to throw in there. I got a feeling I'm a little bit out of my league here, buddy. You definitely got a little more than I do.
Yeah, we're not on the best tire though. We've got this extra third pedal down here I'm not always sure what to do with.
You got this.
So, yeah, I'm good. We're good. Great. Alright folks, so we're going to walk over here and talk to the tuner. I mean, I know he tunes this car, but maybe he should tune his own car a little bit better. I'm not sure what the problem was here. Excuses, Jeremy?
What you got, Jeremy? Can't say I've ever heard that before. Get him, Jericho.